distraction in the drive, waiting for action. Yeah, 6 weeks in to Traverse at home alone, all by myself. I found the keys on the refrigerator. I was out the door, I'll see you later. Well, I went cruising in my daddy's Mustang. I just had to take it for a ride. I've been riding shotgun long enough. I let that Detroit pony fly. Had the Rolling Stones on my iPhone, and I was getting it on, and I was gone, gone, gone. You're gonna cry when I tell you how the story ends. When I went cruising in my daddy's Mustang. Tires turn, honky-tonk woman just a little higher. Gravel flew, went out the gate. I was wide knuckles all the way. Yeah, mailboxes were flashing on by. The wind blew my hair into my eyes. A quarter of a mile down the road, I hit the first curve and lost control. I saw blue lights and tears on my daddy's face. His car was upside down and all over the place. I thought for sure he'd skin me alive. He said, "That's just a car, baby. I'm glad you're all right." Well,